Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is a cutting edge electric hedge trimmer that I'm selling on eBay. It's 18 volts. It's got a 42 centimeter cutting length and it's 95 decibels. It comes complete with its cutting blade cover, two 18 volt batteries, ni-cads, and its own specialist charger and power adapter. It's fully working. One battery is lower than the other, but currently both work. What I'll do is I'll just put this battery in, so just slide that in there. Okay, I'll take the cover off. Now to operate this, you need to push down on this lever and then hold this. So here's the blade. As you can see, it works. Just put the cover back on for a second and just take off this battery and put on the other battery, which I've put an L on because this one's lower powered than the first one. Obviously you can get other batteries, or you can have a go at reselling them. It uses C-size ni-cads. So again, push this down, squeeze the handle. So it's fully working, and I'll just show you it cutting some bushes. This bush needs some deadheading, so here's the beast again. As you can see, it fully works. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. There's over 600 to choose from, and all of them work perfectly because they're all videos like this that I created for myself. Thanks for watching.